My dear, you are safe here. Let's imagine a world where your money isn't just numbers on a screen, but part of a smart system that can think and protect itself. Sounds like a sci-fi? Well, that world is already here, thanks to AI and blockchain. Meet Adam. He is an everyday person just like you and me, who worries about his savings, payments, and investments. One day, he discovers something fascinating: artificial intelligence and blockchain, which are quietly reshaping the finance, making it smarter, faster, and more secure. So, what is AI in finances? Imagine personal assistant for your money. AI can predict spending pattern, detect fraud before it happens, and even help you invest wisely. Adam realized that with AI, he could make smarter choices without staying glued to his phone all the day. Then there is blockchain. Think of it as a digital ledger, a secure notebook that can everyone can see but no one can erase. It makes transactions transparent, safe, and fast. Adam could finally spend money across borders without worrying about hidden fees or delays. The magic happens when AI and blockchain work together. AI studies pattern and guides decisions, while blockchain makes sure everything is tamper proof. For Adam, this meant peace of mind. He could track his spending, invest safely, and even explore cryptocurrencies without fear. But here's the cozy truth: you don't need to be a tech wizard to benefit. Start small, learn about secure wallets, try AI powered budgeting apps, and observe how your money can work smarter for you. And the big takeaway: finance is no longer just numbers and stress. With AI and blockchain, it's becoming a tool to make life simpler, safer, and calmer. Just like Adam, you too can make small steps today to let technology handle the heavy lifting. Tonight, take a moment and think: how can technology make your financial life easier? Even small experiments with AI budgeting apps or blockchain based payments can bring you one step closer to stress-free money management. Remember, the future of finance is already here, cozy, calm, and smart, just waiting for you to explore it.